Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation 6 times x minus 6 equals 12. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of finding the value of x that satisfies this equation. Let's get started. Let's solve for the variable by working with the equation 6x minus 6 equals 12. Step 1. The goal is to isolate the variable x. To start, we need to eliminate the constant term that's subtracted from 6x. In this case, that term is minus 6. To remove minus 6 from the left side of the equation, we add 6 to both sides. So we take the equation 6x minus 6 equals 12 and add 6 to each side of the equation. On the left side, subtracting 6 and then adding 6 cancels out the minus 6, leaving us with just 6x. On the right side, we have 12 plus 6, which equals 18. So after this step, the equation is simplified to 6x equals 18. Adding 6 to both sides helps us to isolate the term containing the variable x, bringing us a step closer to solving for x. This alteration is crucial because it prepares us to eventually solve for the value of x in the equation. Step 2. We now have the simplified equation 6x equals 18. Our goal remains the same, to isolate the variable x, which means we need to get x by itself on one side of the equation. In this step, we need to eliminate the coefficient of x. The coefficient is the number that is multiplied by x. In this equation, the coefficient is 6. To remove the coefficient from x, we need to divide both sides of the equation by the same number, which in this case is 6. So, we divide 6x by 6 on the left side of the equation, and we also divide 18 by 6 on the right side of the equation. On the left side, 6 divided by 6 equals 1, so we are left with just x. On the right side, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Now the equation simplifies to x equals 3. This is the final step. It shows that the value of x, the solution to the equation 6x minus 6 equals 12, is 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.